Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So this particular video is just a quick information about GATE 2022 exam. So if you are preparing for this exam, here is something which you should know. So GATE 2022 is going to be organized by IIT-Kharagpur, and this is the website. This is the official website of GATE 2022. I'll give you the link to reach out to this particular website, and you can find out the link in the description of this video. Alright. Now here two things are there. Information brochure is there and the poster is there. So all the information regarding the upcoming GATE exam is on these two places. I'll just quickly go for the poster because that's where you will get all the information in a summarized way. You can read about the information brochure and I'll also go through it, and if there will be any changes I'll inform you later on. But for now I'll be telling you about all the summary of this GATE 2022 exam. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to just click on this GATE 2022 poster and you will be able to download this PDF. Here you can see that all these things are given over here, right? GATE examination, who is going to organize it. So jointly conducted by IIT Bangalore and 7 IITs, and this year it is going to be organized by IIT Kharagpur. Its written organizing institute is IIT Kharagpur over here, and eligibility is over here that any candidate who is currently studying in third or higher year of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in the engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, etc. So anyone who is in third year of BSc or BTech, or if he is in masters, so he is eligible to give this exam. So eligibility is same as GATE 2021. There is no change in that. There are certain more things about it, like the subjects are over here, you can check it out. Like these you already know, and these are the two new papers which are going to be introduced in GATE 2022. What are those two new paper? One is geomatics engineering, that is GE, and the other one is naval architecture and marine engineering, that is NM. So these are two new examinations which are been included in your GATE 2022 exam. Application fees is as it is not increased. Now you can see that the application fees is 750 rupees for SC, ST, PWD candidates and female candidates. For all the other candidates, that means for general candidates and for OBC candidate, it's 1500. Examination date is tentatively on 5th of February 2022, 12th of February 2022, 6th of February 2022 and 13th of February. So on these 4 dates the exam is going to be conducted, 5th, 6th, 12th and 13th. Now dates mentioned are liable to be changed because of the COVID-19 situation, so it depends upon the situation that when this exam are going to be, but these are the tentative dates of your exam. Online application is going to be start from Monday, that is 30th of August. Okay, so it is going to start from 30th of August, so like 1 month after today when you are watching this video, and this is going to close on 24th of September. So you will get this time to online register and you can just apply for the form, right? And extended period is also given up till 1st of October. So be prepared with it. Be prepared with whatever things are required to apply for the exam before 30th of August, so that you can simply apply for this exam over there, right? And the announcement of result will be made tentatively on 17th of March 2022. So everything is now clear for GATE 2022. If you were preparing for the exam, the time is there that you have to become little bit serious about it and start your preparation with a little bit more concentration, right? So that's all about this video. I just wanted to quickly inform you, and I would like to thank Brijesh for informing me about this particular update. So thank you, Brijesh, for it. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.